Most people don't realize this until it's too late. Being broke in your 20s isn't the problem. Staying broke is the problem. And the sad part? It usually happens not because of one huge financial mistake, but because of a series of tiny money traps that look harmless but actually drain your wealth potential. You don't need to be rich in your 20s, but you do need to be smart. Let's break down the 5 most dangerous money traps that silently keep people broke in their 20s, and how to avoid them starting today. Trap number 1. The lifestyle creep you don't even notice. Let's say you just got your first job. You're finally making decent money, maybe $2,500, $3,000, or more each month. You tell yourself, I've worked hard. I deserve nice things. So you upgrade your phone. Then your apartment. Then your wardrobe. Then your car. And suddenly, your expenses rise faster than your income. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the sneakiest traps in your 20s. It happens slowly. Gradually. You don't feel it until it's too late. The money you could have used to invest or build a safety net? Gone. Not because of emergencies, but because of impulse upgrades you convinced yourself you deserved. Here's the truth. You can't out-earn bad habits. You can make $5,000 per month and still be broke if your rent is $2,000, your car payment is $600, and your weekends are just vibes and mimosas. Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." Your 20s are the perfect time to live slightly below your means, not above them. If you can control lifestyle creep now, you'll be way ahead of 90% of your peers by the time you hit your 30s. Trap number 2. Using credit like it's free money. Credit cards can be powerful tools, but in the hands of someone who's never had real money before, they become financial weapons. Let's be real, in your 20s, swiping a credit card feels painless. You don't see the money leaving your account, so you start using it for everything. A quick Uber here, a coffee there, that concert ticket you didn't budget for. Before you know it, your balance is at $3,000, and the interest is eating you alive. And that's the part no one warns you about. Let's say you carry a $3,000 balance at a 20% APR. That's over $600 per year in interest just for existing. And guess what? Most people only pay the minimum balance, which barely covers interest, meaning the principal never shrinks. It's a trap, and the banks are counting on you to fall into it. Now let's be clear, credit itself is not evil. In fact, having a good credit score can help you buy a house, qualify for better rates, and even get hired in some jobs. The trick is this: only use credit for what you can afford in cash. Treat it like a debit card that pays you points, not like a license to spend. And always, always, pay off your balance in full every month. Trap number 3. The "I'll save later" mindset. This is probably the most dangerous trap of all, because it sounds so innocent. I'll start saving when I make more money. I'll invest later, when I'm more stable. I'm still young. I have time. But here's the harsh truth. Later almost never comes. Life doesn't get easier. It gets more expensive. Rent goes up. Responsibilities increase. New expenses show up out of nowhere. The longer you wait to save and invest, the harder it becomes, and the more you lose out on the one thing money can't buy: compound interest. Let's do some quick math. If you invest $200 per month starting at age 22 and earn just 7% annually, by age 40 you'll have over $100,000. If you wait until age 30 to start, that same $200 per month will only grow to around $57,000 by age 40. That's a $43,000 difference, just because you waited. The earlier you start, the less pressure you'll feel later. You don't need to invest thousands. Even $50 to $100 per month is enough to build momentum. Don't fall into the trap of waiting until life feels right. Start now, while your expenses are lower and time is on your side. Trap number 4. Living without a budget. Guessing with money. Let's talk about something most people avoid in their 20s, budgeting. And no, I don't mean those boring spreadsheets where you track every cent. I mean having a simple system that tells you how much you can spend without guilt, how much to save or invest, how much you need for bills and goals. Without a budget, you're flying blind. And when you're flying blind, you crash. Think about it. If you don't know how much is coming in and going out, how can you possibly make smart decisions? And no, just checking your bank app and saying, "I still have money," doesn't count. The truth is, a budget gives you freedom, not restriction. It's the difference between impulse buying a $300 gadget and regretting it 2 weeks later, or buying it guilt-free because you planned for it. You don't need a fancy app. You can start with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of income for needs, rent, food, utilities, 30% for wants, entertainment, dining out, 20% for saving, investing. Customize it for your life. But the key is this: track it, plan it, own it. You'll be amazed at how much clarity and control you gain when you stop guessing. Trap number 5. Thinking income alone will save you. A lot of people believe this lie. Once I make more money, everything will be fine. So they chase better jobs, promotions, or side hustles, thinking that income equals solution. But here's the truth. You don't have a money problem, you have a behavior problem. More income doesn't fix poor spending habits. You could make $6,000 per month and still be broke if your expenses are out of control. Or you could make $3,000 per month, live smart, save 20%, and invest early, and end up wealthier than the high earner who spent it all. Income is important, yes. But wealth comes from what you keep, not just what you make. You have to build the right systems: automatic saving, intentional spending, clear financial goals. Because money without discipline is just potential wasted. So, what should you do instead? Let's recap what will keep you broke, and what to do instead. Spending more as you earn more, that means lifestyle creep. To fix: live slightly below your means, delay gratification. Trap: credit card debt. To fix: pay in full monthly. Use credit wisely, not emotionally. Trap: I'll save later. To fix: start investing small amounts early. Time is your biggest asset. Trap: no budget. To fix: use a simple system like 50-30-20 to plan and track your money. Trap: chasing income without discipline. To fix: build money habits before you chase bigger paychecks. Final thoughts: your 20s are a launchpad, and what most people don't realize is that small financial wins today compound into massive financial freedom tomorrow. Avoid these 5 traps, and you won't just survive your 20s, you'll thrive. You'll be the one who's not stressed about debt, not panicking during recessions, not scrambling to pay rent. You'll be calm, confident, and in control. And most importantly, you'll have options. Because when your money is handled right, you're not just rich in your bank account. You're rich in freedom, time, and peace of mind. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. If you found this video valuable, hit that subscribe button. It helps you stay ahead financially. Drop a like if you learned something new, and share this with someone in their 20s who needs to hear it. This is Alpha Finance, helping you build financial freedom, the Alpha way. See you in the next one.